Hey everyone, I am Adi. Today I will show you Rust environment setup for Linux. If you are a Linux user, you can probably assemble your own computer from scratch. But assuming you are a beginner, I will explain everything. First of all, before installing the Rust compiler, we need to install GCC G++ or clang because the Rust compiler doesn't have its own linker yet, and maybe you want to run some C++ code or library inside the Rust code. Of course, Rust allows it, and some common Rust packages depend on C code and will need a C compiler. For installation, first open your terminal. I assume you checked that the system is up to date with sudo apt update. I don't want to use GCC, but if you want to use it, you can write sudo apt install build-essential into the terminal. To install the curl as well, you can type curl after the space. I'll use clang instead. To install clang, you need to type in the following command: sudo apt install clang llvm and curl. Say yes. Waiting for it to load. You can check it by typing clang-version after installation. Let's check that the curl is installed, curl-version. Now we enter rust-lang.org. You can compile Rust codes by browsing Rust Playground before installation and check the outputs with the Run button. I recommend vertical orientation for better code check. Let's back and enter to the Install tab. Rust is installed via the Rustapp installer. Rustapp is an installer for the system's programming language Rust. Let's select the code, VC and copy it, paste into the terminal. I want it to install with recommended settings. Press 1. Our installation is finished. Open a new terminal and check the version, or use source command to check in current terminal. You can check the version by typing rustc-version. Rustc means Rust compiler. See you in the next video.